Everything sounds more romantic in Spanish, and today we are going to prove it. 10 Spanish love phrases that will make anyone feel something. Whether you're trying to impress someone special or simply want to understand what Spanish speakers say when they are in love, this episode is going to stay with you. Welcome back to English and Spanish Cafe. I am your host, and joining me today is my wonderful co-host all the way from Spain.
Hola, everyone. Oh, I love this topic so much. Spanish is genuinely one of the most romantic languages in the world. And the way Spanish speakers express love and affection is so warm and so real. Today, I get to share that with you, and I could not be more excited.
Today, we are going through 10 beautiful Spanish love phrases, from the first compliment to the deepest expression of love, all A1 and A2 level. Short, natural, and genuinely used by real Spanish speakers every single day.
Whether you want to use these with someone special or you simply want to understand Spanish romance culture better, every single phrase today is going to feel meaningful. Let us begin.
The very first phrase, the one that starts everything, a genuine compliment.
Eres muy guapo. You are very handsome. Said to a man. Eres muy guapa. You are very beautiful. Said to a woman. Eres means you are. Muy means very. Guapo and guapa mean handsome and beautiful. Simple, direct, and deeply felt when said with sincerity.
Repeat after me. Eres muy guapo. Eres muy guapa.
In Spanish culture, a sincere compliment like this is given with full eye contact and real warmth. It is not just a word, it is a feeling. Say it like you mean it, and it will always land beautifully.
You have just met someone. The connection is real. You want to say something, but you are not ready for I love you yet. This is your phrase.
Me gustas mucho. I like you a lot. Me gustas means you are pleasing to me, which in Spanish means I like you. Mucho means a lot. Together, they say exactly what that moment feels like. Warm, honest, just enough.
Repeat. Me gustas mucho. Me gustas mucho.
This phrase works perfectly in those early moments of a connection. Not too strong, not too light, just genuinely real. Spanish speakers use it all the time, and it always means something.
Now we go a little deeper. A specific and beautiful compliment that Spanish speakers absolutely love to give and receive.
Tienes unos ojos preciosos. You have the most beautiful eyes. Tienes means you have. Unos ojos means some eyes. Preciosos means precious or beautiful. In Spanish, complimenting someone's eyes this way is one of the most romantic things you can say. It is specific, it is personal, and it is genuinely moving when said with sincerity. Repeat.
Tienes unos ojos preciosos. Tienes unos ojos preciosos.
You can swap ojos for other features too. Tienes una sonrisa preciosa means you have a beautiful smile. Same structure, equally powerful, always received with warmth.
This one is for when someone has completely taken over your thoughts and you want them to know it.
Pienso en ti todo el tiempo. I think about you all the time. Pienso means I think. En ti means about you. Todo el tiempo means all the time. This phrase is honest, vulnerable, and deeply romantic in Spanish culture. It says something real without needing to say everything yet.
Repeat. Pienso en ti todo el tiempo. Pienso en ti todo el tiempo. When a Spanish speaker says this to you, believe them completely. It is not said lightly. And when you say it, mean every word. Sometimes the most powerful thing you can tell someone is simply this.
Me haces muy feliz. You make me very happy. Me haces means you make me. Muy feliz means very happy. This phrase is beautiful because it gives the other person credit for your happiness. It says, you are the reason for how I feel right now. That is one of the most meaningful things one person can say to another.
Say it. Me haces muy feliz. Me haces muy feliz. Me haces muy feliz. In Spain, this phrase is used between couples, between close friends, between family members. It is not only romantic, it is deeply human. And in Spanish, it always sounds like the truest thing in the world. We are halfway through, and these phrases are already beautiful. If you are enjoying learning Spanish this way, please subscribe to English and Spanish Cafe right now. New episodes every single week, all made for learners just like you.
Leave a like, too. It helps so many more people find us and discover Spanish in this way. We really appreciate every single one.
5 more phrases, and these are the ones that go straight to the heart. Let us keep going. When someone has become truly important to you, and you need them to know it, this is your phrase.
Eres especial para mí. You are special to me. Eres means you are. Especial means special. Para mí means to me or for me. 3 simple parts that together say something profound. You are not like everyone else. You matter to me in a way that is different and real.
Repeat. Eres especial para mí. Eres especial para mí.
This phrase works at any stage of a relationship. Early on, it is a beautiful confession. Later, it is a quiet reminder. Whenever you say it, it always means exactly what it needs to mean.
Now we are getting into the deep end of Spanish romance, and Spanish speakers are not afraid of the deep end.
No puedo vivir sin ti. I cannot live without you. No puedo means I cannot. Vivir means to live. Sin ti means without you. This phrase is deeply felt in Spanish culture. Spanish speakers are not afraid of expressing strong emotion. They lean into it fully. And this phrase captures that beautiful fearlessness in love completely.
Repeat. No puedo vivir sin ti. No puedo vivir sin ti.
You will hear this in Spanish songs, in Spanish films, and in real Spanish conversations. It is not considered too much. In Spanish culture, it is simply the truth being spoken out loud without apology.
And this one is for the moment when you realize it is the one Spanish speakers save for when they are absolutely certain. After now, too.
Eres el amor de mi vida.
Estar contigo
You are the
siempre.
love of my life.
I want to be with you
Eres
always.
means you are.
Quiero
El amor means the
I
love.
want.
De mi vida means
to
of my
be.
life.
Contigo
6
means
words,
with you.
an entire
Siempre
lifetime in one
means
sentence.
always.
In Spanish,
4
this phrase
beautiful
is sacred.
words that together
It is not
make
said
one of the
casually.
most complete
It is said
romantic
once
statements in the
to
Spanish
one
language.
person. When you know
Repeat.
without any doubt
Quiero
that
estar
they are the one.
contigo siempre. Repeat this one slowly. Eres el amor de mi vida. Contigo siempre. Eres
Siempre.
el amor
Always.
de mi vida.
That one word
When you
at the
hear
end
this
of this
phrase in a Spanish
changes
song
everything.
or in a Spanish film,
It takes a
or
feeling
from the
and
lips
turns
of
it into
someone
a
you
promise.
love, you will
That
feel
is
it in your
very
whole
Spanish.
body.
That is very
That is the
real.
power of Spanish romance. It does not hold back. Ever.
And our final phrase, the one everything else has been leading to.
In Spanish, there are actually 2 ways to say I love you. Te quiero and te amo. Te quiero is warm, close, and affectionate. You say it to someone you love deeply, whether that is a partner, a family member, or a very close friend. Te amo is deeper.
more intense, and more romantic. It is used between couples when the love is profound and certain. Both are beautiful, both are real, and both will move the person who hears them.
Repeat. Te quiero. Te amo.
Te quiero, te amo. 2 phrases, 1 language, 1,000 different beautiful moments. And now, they are yours to use whenever you are ready.
Final recap. I say it in English, you say the Spanish out loud before the answer comes. Ready? You are very beautiful.
Eres muy guapa.
I like you a lot.
Me gustas mucho.
You have the most beautiful eyes.
Tienes unos ojos preciosos.
I think about you all the time.
Pienso en ti todo el tiempo.
You make me very happy.
Me haces muy feliz.
You are special to me.
Eres especial para mí.
I cannot live without you.
No puedo vivir sin ti.
I want to be with you always.
Quiero estar contigo siempre.
You are the love of my life.
Eres el amor de mi vida.
I love you.
Te quiero. Te amo.
Spanish romance is not just about the words. It is about the courage to say them out loud without holding back. Spanish speakers lead with their hearts, and they are never ashamed of it. And now you have 10 phrases that let you do the same thing in one of the most beautiful languages in the world.
Love in any language is the same feeling, but in Spanish, it sounds like a song. And now you know the words. Use them, share them, say them to someone who deserves to hear them today.
Your challenge today: go to the comments and write your favorite phrase from this episode, the one that hit you the most, in Spanish. Just write it down there and let us see which one resonates the most with everyone watching.
We read every single comment, every one, and we would absolutely love to see yours today.
Subscribe to English and Spanish Cafe, leave a like, and share this with someone who deserves to hear something beautiful in Spanish today.
Hasta luego, amigos.
See you in the next one.